Ray, just stay out of the way. I'll deal with you later. The rest of you stick with me and wait for your assignments. Now you get all a quiver at the sight of blood and organs.
Quiver, quiver.
Now you get all a quiver at the sight of blood and organs.
Got a third trimester burn victim here, Dr.
Trimester, trimester.
Got a third trimester burn victim here, Dr.
We need all hands on deck. Now clear me for surgery or you're fired.
Any headaches today?
No.
Dizziness, nausea, blurred vision?
No, no, and no. Now get out of my way.
Fine.
Dizziness, dizziness.
Dizziness, nausea, blurred vision?
No, no, and no. Now get out of my way.
Fine.
Well, unless you drank the whole liquor bottle, you'll be sober in a few hours, and the IV fluids will head off your hangover. Then you can assist with the many mangled victims you see.
Mangle, mangle.
Then you can assist with the many mangled victims you see.
Well, is there anyone you'd like me to call?
No, they called my wife from the ambulance.
And my fiance. They're flying down from Vancouver together.
Fiancé, fiancé.
And my fiance. They're flying down from Vancouver together. And my fiance. They're flying down from Vancouver together.
Normally Amanda would be a tad upset.
Tad, tad.
Normally Amanda would be a tad upset.
You two weren't traveling together?
No, we just met.
Bit of an awkward introduction.
You have very nice pores.
Pour, pour.
Bit of an awkward introduction.
You have very nice pores. Yay, my husband picked me mood.
I think it's more about I hate the smell of charred flesh mood.
Char, char.
I think it's more about I hate the smell of charred flesh mood.
I know there was a train accident. People are very badly hurt. And then I'm a vapid narcissist when you mix me with alcohol.
Vapid, vapid.
And then I'm a vapid narcissist when you mix me with alcohol.
Gang, how's that wound looking?
Pretty clean. Some dirt and gravel mostly.
This guy was lucky. It's a guillotine injury.
Guillotine, guillotine.
This guy was lucky. It's a guillotine injury.
Yes, sir. But
But what? If your plan is to be a watchdog for Dr. Shepard, or
Watchdog, watchdog.
if your plan is to be a watchdog for Dr. Shepard, or
Because all paramedics look alike to you, right, doctor?
Okay, really? I cannot straddle another giant ego right now. I'm all...
Straddle, straddle.
Okay, really? I cannot straddle another giant ego right now. I'm all... The chief of surgery is going to take away my pretty blue scrubs.
When the train derailed, it hit an overpass.
Overpass, overpass.
When the train derailed, it hit an overpass.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, honey. We fine. Yeah, but some redneck tried to outrun the train. Then they gonna give us this little boy dog hit out. Oh.
Redneck, redneck.
Yeah, but some redneck tried to outrun the train. Then they gonna give us this little boy dog hit out. Oh.
Yeah, hold on, please. Could you try to wiggle your toes, Mr. Maynard?
Wiggle, wiggle.
Could you try to wiggle your toes, Mr. Maynard?
Dr. Shepard, Bonnie and I, are we gonna live through this?
Oh, that's just morose, Tom.
Morose, morose.
Are we gonna live through this?
Oh, that's just morose, Tom.
Did you happen to notice, for example, that it was shaved recently and manicured
manicure, manicure,
and manicured.
I realize you're dealing with a lot of carnage. I'm asking if you could maybe sift through some of that carnage. And
carnage, carnage,
I'm asking if you could maybe sift through some of that carnage and
Right there, in between the vertebral spaces.
vertebral, vertebral,
Right there, in between the vertebral spaces.
That's good. You are doing so good.
Somebody called for a notary?
I asked for a lawyer.
notary, notary,
Somebody called for a notary?
I asked for a lawyer.
Chief Weber, I'm extremely sorry. I looked everywhere, but I
tendon, tendon,
looked everywhere, but I...
Take some aspirin with a banana bath. Helps with a hangover.
hangover, hangover,
Take some aspirin with a banana bath. Helps with the hangover.